Start by matching the existing roof deck thickness so the patched area sits flush with surrounding shingles. Begin by lifting shingles gently around the repair to expose the deck and measure the full thickness of the original material with a ruler or caliper, including any built-up layers of underlayment. If the deck is plywood or oriented strand board, measure at least 2 adjacent exposed boards to confirm consistency because weathering can thin edges. Cut your scrap to the same thickness using a circular saw or table saw, then plane or sand small amounts if needed for a precise fit. When you must approximate, err on the side of slightly thinner because you can shim with thin roofing felt, but you cannot easily remove excess thickness. For larger holes, scarf the repair piece into the existing board by cutting matching beveled edges so the joints spread load and avoid a hard edge under shingles. Dry fit the piece and relay the shingles to verify there are no high spots that would prevent nails from seating or that would create a trough that traps water. When you are satisfied, fasten with corrosion-resistant nails into the solid deck and use compatible underlayment and roofing cement to seal seams before resetting shingles. Common mistakes include using a board that is too thick, which creates a high spot and causes shingle buckling. Solve this by trimming the repair down and dry fitting until flush. Another frequent issue is using material that is too soft or rotted, which will fail under nail pull and lead to leaks. Solve this by removing decayed wood back to solid material and using new exterior-grade plywood or oriented strand board cut to match. A third mistake is neglecting to check for multiple layers or hidden rot under the surrounding deck, which leads to a short-lived repair. Solve this by probing adjacent areas for soft spots, removing any compromised sections, and installing layered patches that match the original thickness at each plane. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by listing local projects and profiles so we can find people who work on shingle roof repairs and panel replacement. We also host a discussion community where we share repair tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences.